Hello, in front of me I've got HITSCAN Hyperlight. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. In the beginning, the mouse is wireless. You can connect it wirelessly via this 2.4G adapter. In order to do it, use the original cable included in the package. Connect the cable to the adapter and adapter to PC. Once it's connected, make sure to turn on the mouse and it's set. If you want to play and charge, make sure that this adapter is nearby your mouse, then simply unplug the cable and plug it here. Now you can play and charge. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.